What's up everybody, Vrit here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel V Diaries, and it's going to be a review video, and this time it's OnePlus 5T. So let's start this 3-minute review by placing the timer on the screen. OnePlus 5T, the device came with a surprise and boom, became the talk of the town. For good and for bad reasons. Bad for obviously OnePlus 5 owners who bought OnePlus 5 not more than 6 months back for the same exact price, and good for people who skipped OnePlus 5 probably. The phone has a sleek design, feels good in hands, and probably the first phone that I liked which has 5.9-inch screen and still manages to keep the footprint small, thanks to that amazing use of space. Certainly not the single-handed usage friendly and slippery as F when used without that included case. Camera bumps at the back, worrisome. Moving to that 18:9 aka 2:1 1080p display, yep, not 2K but still crisp optic AMOLED display that manages to perform pretty good in harsh sunlight. OLED makes the blacks appear deep, and this is what exactly I want you to know. One of the best 18:9 display that comes with this price. The internals that remain unchanged from OnePlus 5 that are still best out there. Snapdragon 835 never lets you down with respect to performance, and 6 and 8 gigs of RAM. It's kind of superfluous but helps in keeping most of the apps in the memory. More is always better. Source of the energy is that 3300 mAh battery which gives a day's power with a moderate usage. With heavy stuff, you might need to charge this thing with the dash charger, which powers it up from 0 to 100% in less than an hour.
Would you like that, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Camera, one of the best when it comes to dynamic color range, saturation and clarity. Photos are crisp, and I personally didn't find any need to carry a DSLR during my travel. With that 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel combo at the back, the portrait photos are crisp and accurate most of the times. If you love to shoot yourself, then 16 megapixel selfie shooter is one of the best out there. Not to forget the beautify mode and the screen flash helps in low light situations. For dedicated camera review, there will be a card up here and the link in the description. Things that OnePlus haven't forgotten this time as well makes it a pretty sweet deal. Alert slider, my favorite, 3.5mm headphone jack, still there. Speaker, damn loud. Network reception, top notch. LED indication. Fingerprint scanner, move to the back, not a big deal because now you can use your face to unlock it. Yes, you can. And it is as fast AF. Even in low light situation, it does a pretty good job. With the recent update, the display brightens if your face is not bright enough to detect.
Smart guy, huh?
Coming to the OS, comes with the Nougat and still stuck with Nougat. Long awaited Oreo is still await.
I'm waiting!
Oxygen gestures and other nifty features are still there if you're a fan of it. Coming to the price, mixed feelings, but if you compare to the competition, it's still less. If your budget allows you to buy this one, my opinion, just go for it. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this episode, and like, share, subscribe. This has been a signing off. You take care. Peace.